What's up, guys? Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. We got another patient here, my aunt. We always get all the family coming in to keep their bodies going. So she usually gets a lot of rib pain in the mid to upper back area. That's been really good. But she's in for... Sorry for that, but the camera battery died. So yes, so she has some rib pain, usually in the upper back region. And today she's in for some upper neck pain, some upper neck stiffness. So she is a nurse, so she's on her feet constantly for long hours during her workday. So go ahead and check it out.
That is tender.
Yeah.
I didn't realize
You got a little short leg on that left side, so. Good. Chin up. That's not terrible. You said these haven't been bothering you?
No, and I'll be honest with you, I'm surprised with as much as I've been working. I really thought they would have fallen out.
Okay. Too bad.
But like I said, I'm surprised.
Let's go down towards your feet a little bit. Alright, chin up. Same thing, chin up. Relax down on your chin. There you go.
Wow. Did you hear that as much as I heard it in my head?
Those were terrible.
Oh, I told you though.
Alright, we'll go and flip over and do your neck. So you said just a little stiffness, kind of in that lower neck or upper?
More upper.
Okay. Yeah. A little bit more. Ooh, tight up there. Holy cow.
I'm telling you.
Let that chin going. Let's go a little bit more rotation on it.
There we go.
Good. Really tight though. Holy cow, you were right.
Yeah.
Alright, good. Alright, we'll go do your low back.
Okay.
Alright. Pull this one under. There you go. Put this one under there. There you go. Pull this one up.
Do I feel 20 pounds lighter?
You look 20 pounds lighter.
Do I really?
Yeah,
Seriously?
definitely tell.
Well, that makes me feel good. Oh man, is that tender.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Alright, we'll go the other way. Yeah. So bend this one a little bit more. Oh. Good. Okay, good.
Okay.
All on that left hip.
Yeah. Man, I didn't realize.
Alright, so we're gonna do the Y strap now. Look on the top. And down.
Oh, do you need to take my earrings out?
Shouldn't have to.
Okay.
Go behind. Yeah, this should be alright.
Okay.
Straighten your head a little bit more. There we go. Okay, we're gonna do a little traction. Deep breath in. Breath all the way out. Just breathe normally. Breathe, breathe, breathe. How's that?
Mm-hmm.
Lift your head up just a hair. Better now?
Mm-hmm.
It's a lot at first.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. No, I feel fine now.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you're just nervous, work yourself.
Maybe.
Alright, how do we feel?
Oh, good.
Go ahead and get up.
All right.
Start moving, okay?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
She's breathing. Alright?
All right. Thank you, sir.
Alright, we're gonna hit just some of those muscles, kind of loosen you up after. So I know you're having some tightness in there.
Oh, wow. Oh, right there.
This thing does pretty good. It's
Yeah.
pretty amazing. Works really good, like pre-adjustment too.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. Some people come in, they got really stiff mid backs, and I'll hit them with this, and the adjustment's like 10 times
Really?
better. It's crazy. Just from using this thing. Throw a little heat on them, and then hit them with this,
Oh,
and it loosens everything up, and the adjustment's like, it's crazy different.
really?
Yeah. Good.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
What's that?
All right. Well, thank you very much.
Hey guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and smash that like button for us, okay? And if you want to keep up with all the content we're putting out, we're putting out 1 to 2 videos a week showing what the Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience is like. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button as well, okay? You'll be able to see how we use the Y-strap and good hands-on chiropractic care to get you to where you need to be, okay? Find you relief with that Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience.